So I'm going to attempt to replace this screen on this laptop, my laptop, with a replacement that I've bought from laptoplcdscreen.co.uk. I've dropped this on the floor. The screen has gone. I was listening to a podcast at the time, so the audio is still coming through, so I can tell everything else is working. It's the screen that's gone, and I contacted Dell to see if they could fix it for me, since I paid for the extended cover, the premium whatever, and yes they can, but it's going to cost me 150 quid, and there was no way I was going to part with £150 just to replace a screen. So I thought surely there is a way to do this myself. I'm not IT savvy, but surely it's just a case of taking that out, putting a new one in. There must be a cheaper way of doing this rather than waiting a week and paying Dell £150 for the privilege. Found laptoplcdscreen.co.uk. They've obviously got what I needed. I've actually, full disclosure, used a slightly different video to learn how to do this. It probably doesn't make any difference, but I wanted to see one that looked like my laptop, like one that looks like that, but I'm sure it's the same screen. It was just, again, because I don't know about computers, I want to see it done on one that looks like mine, because that's going to make me feel a bit better about doing the process. So I've seen that video. It looks dead straightforward. We're about to find out whether it is. So this will be an unedited video, so this isn't really a how-to, I guess, but just to show you that it can be done by someone who really does not know about computers. I just know I need it to work. So you take, I can't even remember the name of this bit here, where you take this whole bit, just pops out, and there's the broken screen. Now I need to unscrew these 4 screws. That one should do it. I'm sat slightly back because of the camera setup here. I'm using a way too fancy camera setup for this. Again, remembering from watching the video, whoop, there we go. First problem. Ha, got it. So again, should probably use a magnetised screwdriver for this, but never mind. There we are. So you take these 4 out, try and not let it fall in the various... Nope, that's going to happen again. No, I've got it. Cheekers. Right, so then it says this just pops down here, and you lie it down there. So that's the connector. This is the thing that it took me a while to make sure I had right. If you're looking at it this way round, which is how all the diagrams are, confusingly for those of us that don't work in IT, that's the diagram, and what it's saying is, where's the connector, which is this bit here, if you can see that. I hope you can. And that means it's a bottom right connector, so that's the bottom right of the LCD screen, which, normal people like you and me that are trying this for themselves, we'd probably describe this as bottom left, but there you go. So for this one, it's actually a bottom right one, and then using an even smaller screwdriver, peel back this tape and ping up the little, there's like a little lever bit here, and try and slide it out nice and straight. There we go. So that's come out. So that's the old LCD screen gotten rid of. That's the easy bit, number 1. So this is the test. Number 2, Again, just let me say, I'm very pleased with this, you know, really sturdy bubble wrap, not your Tom in a Garden from Wilko's or whatever, and all nicely put together. Slide that out of there. And it looks the same, so that's reassuring. And it's all in the same place. There was nothing mentioned about this silver foil, so I'm going to assume I can leave that on. It isn't on, and I'll just leave that foam underneath to protect the screen, I guess. There isn't any... Oh, it's black foil on that one. Okay, fine, so we'll leave the silver foil on. Okay, and then you've got to slide this in dead straight. I always say this is the easy bit to kind of... Okay, that's connected. Make sure the lever clasp kind of thing clips in. Look, there's a little click, so that's, again, very reassuring. Okay, great. And then the tape back down. And there's my new screen, so that looks pretty sweet. Okay. Okay, what's this? Oh, okay, that's the... Oh, look, there's a nice, you know, very satisfying cover to peel off, so we'll do that last. Just get this while I'm manhandling it. Leave that on. This little tab here will peel off the screen protector bit, so that's pretty cool. Okay. And now, the second tricky bit, I guess we can... I don't have a lot of space at this desk, as you can see. Right, let's try and get this back on without dropping it, I guess. Start with the hardest one first, which will be this one. Success. Yep. I suppose if I was clever, I'd lie this on its thing like this. Yeah. I hope you can still see this. But you know what you're looking at. Just someone with no practical skills whatsoever. Trying to screw things in. And the screen arrived the following day. As it happens, I work away a lot, so it's taken a couple of days to do this. But I do need this to work for tomorrow morning, so this is quite high stakes actually. Okay. Now the question is, do I test it before I peel that thing off? I think I probably should. There was a step in the original video, the video on laptoplcdscreen.co.uk, that's for a different model, that has a step I've skipped here, which is taking the battery out and taking two clasps on the back off and various other bits. Again, my laptop doesn't have that, so I've skipped that and just gone to this bit. The video I actually watched for instructions that has this same model of laptop also skipped that, so I think it should be fine. So let's try and see what happens. I've literally no idea what's going to happen. Yay! I'm legitimately happy about that. Ah, great. Oh, hello, is it working? It looks like Windows didn't load correctly. If you restart and try again, well, literally, this is better than... Maybe because all the other bits aren't in. But the screen works. Is this because I dropped it? Yeah. Yeah! Okay, great. That's because I dropped it. Alright. Okay, let's there we go, that's me. You can see it's me, it's my YouTube channel anyway. Super. Okay, that's terrific. Let's peel this off. Very satisfying. Okay, and now it's just a matter of clipping this back on. Let's get rid of this as well. You watch, this will be the trickiest bit. And so it's proving to be. No, there we go. And there's only one way it can pop in, isn't there? So my next door neighbour James works in IT. He was my plan B if this hadn't have worked. At least this will give him a laugh. Lots of satisfying clicks. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's doing. Looks like it's doing something. Yeah, that's in. And then it's suggested just having a quick look around the edge to make sure everything is there. It's all clicked in. Yeah, cool.